You're more than a developer. You're a wish granter, an artist, a problem solver. The code you write and the software you create makes people's lives easier, more enjoyable, and more stress-free. In a cruel twist of irony, the development process is none of these things. Changing requirements, missing context, the burden of testing, having to do more with less. They all lead to a more nerve-wracking process and more doubt. Seeing how your team creates software that improves our world, the least we can do is improve the experience. When you have complete visibility across the entire software development lifecycle, you can see all the vital connection points, making it easier to identify and solve complex problems. With automation to take on the ever-increasing burden of testing, you can leave the tedious and time-consuming tasks behind and have more headspace to focus on what you love most, creating ingenious code. Take on each task, knowing you have an unparalleled range of proven AI-powered development tools to help you make each release better than the last. Our software is designed to integrate smoothly and seamlessly with the tech you already use. The world runs on code, and you're the driving force behind it all. So we'll always be right behind you. Everything we do is intended to help you accelerate the software development process with confidence and shorten the path to great customer experiences.